Hey, it's Carlo. I've got my Leatherman style PS. It has a carabiner and it's got a bottle opener, and it's got like a hidden tool right there. Some tweezers helps out when you're in the forest with the sprinter. And it has a file with a screwdriver. A screwdriver I use it a lot, but you know. These scissors, these really come in handy. It's so pretty cool. They're a little sharp, and since there's no knife on this multi-tool, it is TSA approved. And it has some pliers with a wire cutter. I like to use this as to play with. And this is TSA approved, so you can bring it on a plane, but some nutty guy might be like, "Oh, you can't bring scissors on a plane." So, and this really, I take it everywhere I go. It's pretty cool. And I like how it's got the blue.